Nakaka-overwhelm kasi tama yung sinasabi ng ibang tao na mabilis lang yan from the first month hanggang 11 months niya. Hanggang ngayon, mag-1-year-old na siya. At the same time, yun din, chine-cherish namin yung every moment with her.
Today, we are asked not only to witness the baptism of River, but we are asked to pray for her, that may the Lord protect her life, that may the Lord guide her life, and that may the Lord continue to bless the life of River Lauren.
Alam naman ng mga tao na mahilig kami big bikes. Ngayon wala na, as in zero na talaga. Yun nga sabi ko.
Best spot. Binenta na namin.
Sabi ko nga, dati hindi ako takot mamatay. Pero ngayon, dahil nandiyan na si River, ngayon, gusto na namin, humaba pa yung buhay namin for her para at least makasama namin siya.
River Lauren, I baptize you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
It's okay.
The birthday family wants to make birthday party of River a memorable one. So you just have to share your energy, your laughter here at River's birthday.
Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins. Now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good
Let's all welcome for our lovely birthday celebrant. Isang malakas na palakpakan for River Lauren!
It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. I was born.
We love you so much. You are the greatest gift that God gave us. Hopefully, maging proud ka din sa amin as your parents. And we love you so much.
Like a dove, I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins. Now it
We
begins.
make you proud and sana kahit tumanda ka na, you think we're still cool. Na mag-hang out ka pa rin with us.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day.
Happy birthday, anak! 1-year-old ka na, ang bilis ng panahon. Dada and Mama will be always here for you. We love you so much.
Some new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Happy birthday, River. Our birthday wish is for you to be healthy, happy, and just enjoy the ride with us.
Good day to be alive.
love you so much, anak. And yung struggle was nothing or nakalimutan ko na dahil sobrang worth it ka naman.